Missouri Attorney General continues to open investigations into school districts with mask mandates, but some Missouri lawyers are speaking out against his interpretation of the law. ABC 17's Hannah Falcon is live in studio after asking lawyers and lawmakers about the Cole County ruling that really led to these investigations. And Hannah, the Attorney General warned school districts ahead of time that he would do this if they continued with their mask mandate.
Deb, this all started with the Cole County ruling in November, and then AG Eric Schmitt sent out letters on Tuesday to school districts saying they have no power to enforce health orders. Yesterday, Schmitt opened an investigation on Columbia Public Schools after parents complained, and today, other lawyers are sharing their interpretations of the Cole County ruling, which is different than Schmitt's.
Yeah, I mean, the law is certainly on the side of the school districts. I'm not really sure where the Attorney General is getting his authority.
Elad Gross and other Missouri lawyers have fired back against the Attorney General's interpretation of the Cole County ruling. Gross told me the Cole County ruling does not apply to school districts.
And there's a long history in Missouri and well, much of this country, and having schools protecting kids from the spread of diseases like this one.
But Attorney General Eric Schmitt is still pursuing legal action against any school district that continues to enforce a mask mandate or other health orders. Schmitt asked parents to send in complaints if schools continue to enforce mask policies, and he's opened investigations against the districts that are, including Columbia Public Schools. Chuck Basie represents Columbia in the Missouri House of Representatives and has grandchildren in Columbia Public Schools. Basie wrote to the superintendent about dropping the mask requirement and told me he plans to push legislation in this upcoming session to give parents more power over school boards.
They need to really rethink about what they're doing to our kids, not only with these masks, but the stuff they're putting in front of them in the classrooms.
And Deb, when I spoke with Schmitt earlier this week, he told me school districts never had the power to enact health orders, contrary to the Missouri law Gross told me about today. Back to you.
Okay, and Gross ran against Schmitt in the 2020 Attorney General election.